ndị Biafra akpụpụla ndị Nigeria n'ụlọ ikpe. Ndị Biafra m na-ekwu maka ha bụ ndị Igbo Indigenous People of Biafra Customary Government nke onye ọkaiwu ha bụ Barrister Emeka Emekesiri. Ọ bụ maka okwu dị iche iche ọkachasị ka ndị Biafra ga-eji were onwe ha wee na-achị onwe ha n'ala ha. Ya mere okwu a na okwu ndị ọzọ dị iche iche mere ha ji jikọọ aka ọnụ wee kpụpụ ndị Nigeria n'ụlọ ikpe wee na-ekwu na ha chọrọ ka ha were onwe ha. Ngwa kirie ma lee ma gee ihe niile mere n'ụbọchị a ndị IPOB Customary Government kpụpụrụ ndị Nigeria n'ụlọ ikpe, ya bụ ndị IPOB Customary Government kpụpụrụ ndị Nigeria n'ụlọ ikpe. Lekwanụ ka ihe niile a si mee n'ụbọchị a.
Yeah, hello, Barrister. Introduce yourself to our viewers out there and why we are in Federal High Court in Enugu today.
Thank you. I'm Barrister Emeka Emekesiri. I'm the lead counsel for the case between Biafra and Nigeria. That's why we're here today at the Federal High Court, Enugu.
All right. Today's sitting, how did it go? We want to know what's the outcome of today's sitting.
Today's sitting was wonderful, very, very good. Our prayer was granted. Actually, today is a preliminary matter because it is for service out of jurisdiction as well as substituted service. The parties to the case, the defendants, live outside Enugu. Defendants, some live in the west, some live in the north. So we needed the order of the court to serve out of jurisdiction, as well as by substituted service, that is using DHL courier service or any other courier service, so that it will be easier to serve the defendants. So the court granted our prayer for today, but we are coming back. Today is not the final day. Today is just ex parte motion for service out of jurisdiction and to serve by substituted means. So we succeeded today.
All right, okay, that's a one win. Can you please, we the laymen out there want to understand the introduction of the case? Who and who are in this case, and when it's being called up, I was hearing this slash that and this slash this. I don't understand. Can you repeat that so that our audience will know exactly what it is all about?
All right, thank you. The case is a case between IPOB, trading as customary government of indigenous people of Biafra, and four defendants, namely the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Attorney General of the Federation, General Yakubu Gowon, and General Olusegun Obasanjo. These are four defendants. The applicant, that's the plaintiff, the claimant is IPOB under the elders. That's IPOB customary government. That is the plaintiff. So it's like a government versus government. This is customary government of the elders. IPOB trading as customary government of indigenous people of Biafra versus Federal Republic of Nigeria, Attorney General of the Federation, General Yakubu Gowon, and General Olusegun Obasanjo. It is government versus government, though our own is customary government. Well, I have seen the judge. The judge today, I'm happy with the way he conducts matters. I think we are optimistic that we shall have justice. However, in any case where there are two parties in a case, one will lose and one will win. If one loses, he can appeal until the last stage of the appeal. I believe that we shall succeed because the judge has granted us, in fact, he has assumed jurisdiction for now, but he said that we should come next to address on some issues of jurisdiction like territorial and the rightfulness of this action. He said we should address him holistically on this case between Biafra and Nigeria, and we were ready. In fact, when he mentioned it, I said I'm even ready to address him right there, but it's necessary that the defendants should bring their lawyers and let us now address the issues holistically. There must be a way to resolve the issue between Biafra and Nigeria. We cannot sweep it under the carpet. We must address the issues.
Okay, all right, okay, thank you very much.
My name is Kasmir Achunusongwafo. The lead counsel has said everything. I think the major work will be on the next adjournment where we address the court on issue of jurisdiction and issue the rightfulness or wrongfulness of the suit. So we are expecting that on that day, after the defendants have been served, their counsel should be here to either accede to what we are saying or to oppose it. Then we'll lay down our arsenal on the table.
Exactly.
The judge can look at it and make one decision one way or the other.
Exactly.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Major General Onwebuna, retired. See, from what happened today, I am sincerely and honestly expecting judgment because the judge, the proceedings for today was satisfactory. It shows that the judge is real a justice man. So we are optimistic that by 2nd October that something better will happen.
Okay, you are happy and optimistic that you are going to get justice. Biafra people will get justice.
Yes.
Okay, what if you don't get justice? What other things do you think?
Well, we continue.
All right.
We continue.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You're a retired general.
Yes.
Is it for the Nigerian army or for the Biafran army?
A Biafran general.
Okay. Now you're a Biafran general.
Yes.
Why did you decide to sue for this case? Why did you think you want to sue for this case, or why you sued for this case?
All right. There's nothing else than freedom. We want to have our freedom because we are being suppressed by any means and in all ramifications as welfare is concerned.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you.